The answer to the first question is it's given that gravitation is a contact force that acts between the two separate objects. So that's true. Then for the second question, the answer is true. Then the third statement, that's again true. For the fourth statement, the answer is false. The reason to this is friction resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements